We out. YouTube, stop playing. Should get crazy. Woo! Let's drop that throat. Oh. We don't drop those. Oh. Oh. Y'all want to see a shift lock? Let me show y'all. Y'all see my foot? Holding the gear. Y'all see my foot holding the gear out? That's a shift lock right there. That's shift locking right there. The whole time you roll in, you're holding the gear out. Whew. Oh, that's a nice car. I see it, Brody. Nice little Dodge. Okay. I see you. Who that, 12? No. Somebody mom. Oh. Woo. Let's go. I couldn't bend it. Yo, I was bending corners though. I got y'all right here. Watch. I guarantee you I bend this corner. Stop playing with me. We bend it. Yes, sir. We bent the fucking corner. Stop playing. We been shit. For sure. But y'all want to see that again? So do I gotta bend this corner too? So I do. Do I gotta bend that corner too? I don't know where we going. That's that. It's mad hard to bend these corners. We got to bend this one. Fuck it. Hell no. Hell no. Woo! Let's go, y'all. In this corner though, like we always do. Yes, sir. Like we always do. Yo, I love that movement, y'all. Like. up in this corner too. Yes, sir! That's how you bend the corner. Woo! Been there, big. Been there, big. What's going on, my man? I can give money with you? I can hold a couple dollars? Ah. What's up?
How do I find this on Facebook? I see the cameras. How do I find this?
What, my videos?
Yeah. Sweetheart, does your mother know what you do?
Yeah.
I tell you, you're scared of.
Of course, look, YouTube.
Can I have it?
You know what YouTube is, right? Right there. That's my YouTube channel, all right? Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop right there. 6 feet. Give me 6 feet. You are too close. Back up 6 feet, please. COVID is still busting. You ain't got no mask on. You barely have any 6 feet, please. Jesus Christ, we don't know if you got the vaccine or not. You out here wilding, moving wild wacky. Listen, y'all, this happened so quick. I didn't even know how to respond. She talking about some, give me a hug. I'm like, nah, I'm holding my hand out to give you a pound. I got my gloves on, my mask on. I'm holding my hand out to give her a pound. And she grabbed me. She did it. She grabbed me. She grabbed me. Listen, when I tell you this, I was about to lose it. I swear to God, don't ever touch somebody you do not know, let alone give them a hug. Don't do that. It's all love, but COVID is still busting, and you smell like beer. Let's continue with the video, you guys. COVID.
Be safe.
Be safe. All right. Oh my God. Why does he bring it in like that? Don't you ever. Oh my God. I'm about to go hop in the shower. What the just happened? Oh my God. That's that shooter shit. That's that. Woo. That's that shooter shit. Why did she just bring it in like that? Oh my God, you guys, no. Oh my God. I gotta go rinse off. Oh my fucking God, yeah. Oh my God, that's crazy. Why the f would you do that?